Unraveling the Phrase, to lose the thread. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to unravel a common but intriguing phrase, to lose the thread. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding these idiomatic expressions can greatly enhance your fluency and comprehension. So, let's get started and explore what it means to lose the thread in different contexts. First off, let's break down the phrase literally. Imagine you're sewing or weaving, and you suddenly lose your grip on the thread you were using. The continuity of your work is broken, and you might find it challenging to pick up where you left off. This visual gives us a direct insight into the figurative use of the phrase. When we say someone has lost the thread, we're not talking about sewing or weaving anymore. Figuratively, it means losing one's train of thought or the main point of a conversation, story, or argument. It's like when you're listening to someone or reading something, and suddenly, you can't follow the logic or storyline anymore. You've lost the thread of what's being communicated. To understand this phrase in action, let's look at a few examples. 1. In conversation, imagine you're at a party, and you're listening to a friend telling a story. If there are too many interruptions, you might say, "Sorry, I've lost the thread of your story. Could you repeat the last part?" 2. In reading, when reading a complex book with many characters and plot twists, you might find yourself confused at some point, thinking, "I've completely lost the thread of this novel." 3. In arguments, during a heated debate, if the discussion goes off on too many tangents, one might admit, we've all lost the thread of the original argument. Let's refocus on the main issue. Now that we understand what it means to lose the thread, how do we use it correctly? Remember, this phrase is best used in contexts where there is a need to express confusion or a break in continuity of thought or understanding. It's a polite way to ask for clarification or to admit that you need to refocus on the main point. And there you have it. Next time you find yourself in a conversation, reading a book, or following an argument and realize you're a bit lost, you'll know exactly how to express that feeling by saying you've lost the thread. We hope this video has helped clarify this phrase for you and added a new expression to your English repertoire. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.